Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you my winter garden, all the things that I have planted so far. So this is a chrysanthemum, white and slightly yellow. Here I have marigolds. So they had amazing blooms. Now I have picked all the blooms so you don't see much. This is yellow and this one is orange. Here lots of buds, 3 plants in a 10-inch pot. That's how I usually plant them. Here I have the maroon marigolds. They're really bushy. Look at them. And I have them in a plastic packet. Here is my rose. This is called Fancy Talk. This year I had some problems with my rose, but they're doing okay right now. This one is not doing okay. Here is another rose. This one is great. I love this one. Look at the color and the shape. Here is Salvia Red. Desi are the normal variety, not the hybrid one. Here are some more marigolds in plastic packets. This is gold coin, starting to bloom, yellow, and this one is orange. Here are my asters. Look at them, growing tall and strong. So I usually plant 3 plants in an 8-inch pot, and I get great results. You can plant them like this if you want. If you don't have lots of space, this is a great way to plant asters. And here are my verbenas. Beautiful, beautiful color. And this color is great. So these are just starting, so they will be flowering more. I will give you more updates later, so stay tuned. So here I have gladiolus in a plastic packet, and this is freesia. They're still small, but the gladiolus are growing very fast. So here I have California poppy. These are amazing plants. And pansies over here. This one bloomed, this one also bloomed. Some more pansy. Geranium, still very small. Stalk, also very small. And here I have lupins, very small. These are sweet peas. And here are my all-time favorite hollyhocks. Look at them. I love hollyhocks. Cherry gold. Celosia. I'm growing them first time. I'm usually not a fan, but I'm growing them anyways. And here I have a red rose. Look at this rose. Look at the shape of it. Lots of buds. My rose is in a 7-inch pot, blooming quite nice. This is impatiens. And here we have dahlias. Here I have 2 dahlia in a 12-inch pot. They're growing quite nice. Cosmos are starting to bloom. So I usually plant 4 to 5 plants in a 12-inch pot. This is how I grow cosmos. Some more cherry-golds, phlox, antirrhinum or snapdragons. Here I have Torrania. Strawberries. Here you can see runner. I'm gonna get a new plant from it. Here I have petunias. Look at them. Petunias are always great. Poppies, nasturtium, chili plant, and these are some damaged rose. I'm trying to make them healthier. Some adenium, some dianthus. This one is already blooming. This one is still small. Gazania. So that's it so far. Plants are still small. They're not blooming yet. I will keep giving you update. Oh wait, a lemon tree, look, lemons. So I will keep giving you updates. Let me know. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. I hope your plants are doing great. Happy gardening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.